Hey everyone, welcome to ClickFix Tech. In today's video, I'll show you how to make a game pass in Please Donate using the Roblox mobile app. So let's get started. First, go back to the home screen of the Roblox app. Once you're on the home screen, tap on the More option at the bottom right corner. After that, scroll down a little and tap on Create. Now, this will open up the Roblox Creator Hub page. Here, tap on the three lines at the top left corner and then select Creations. After that, you should see your experience listed here. Simply tap on it to continue. Once you're inside the experience page, again tap on the three lines at the top left corner. Now tap on the monetization to open drop-down, and under it tap on Passes. This is where we can create our game pass. Go ahead and tap on Create a Pass. Here, you can upload a custom image for your game pass if you want, but I'm just going to leave it blank for now. After that, enter a name for your game pass. You can name it anything you like. You can also add a description if you want. Once everything is done, tap on Create Pass at the bottom. Now after creating the pass, tap on the pass you just made. Then again tap on the three lines at the top left corner and go to Sales. On this page, you'll be able to put your game pass on sale and also set the Roblox price. So simply turn on the Item for Sale option, then enter any amount of Roblox you want. I'm just going to set a price of 1,000 Roblox. You can also leave regional pricing enabled. After that, tap on Save Changes. And that's it. Now open up Please Donate inside Roblox. Go near any unclaimed stand and claim it. After a few seconds, you should see the game pass you created appear on your stand, and other players will now be able to purchase it with Roblox. So yeah guys, that's how you can create a game pass and Please Donate. If this tutorial helped you out, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more Roblox tutorials like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.